Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Nauri. Congratulations. And how you wish, my love, to our we wish healthy family, healthy children, and congratulations for the new baby, and to all your baby Zen, baby Ow, and baby Wataru. We wish you all the best. Thank you, Nauri, for all your love, care, and help and sacrifice, and for loving each other with our son Jordan.